Okay, so it's nice and late and dark, and I'm gonna take my completely stock 13-inch lifted double cab long box Tundra on 37s out for a 0 to 60 and an 8-mile pass. So we're gonna see what it does, and then throw my tune in it and see how much better or worse it is. Now, this thing's gonna run something laughable because it weighs about 7,500 pounds as it sits, and it only makes the stock 380 horsepower. So let's go and see what she's capable of.
Quarter mile.
11 seconds 0 to 60. All right, one more time for consistency's sake. Ooh, 1093. We shaved 0.1 off. That's awesome. Okay, time to go back and reflash it with my tune and see what it does. Well, that's kind of humorous. So I have my race Tundra here that does 0 to 60 in 2.6 seconds, and my other truck that does 0 to 60 in 11 seconds. So I think I simultaneously own North America's quickest Tundra and North America's slowest Tundra. So let's throw a flash into it, my first iteration before I hit the dyno, and see if it makes it a little bit better. We took off 0.7 of a second.
Quarter mile.
Not bad, not bad. All right, let's do this run again just to back up the results. And I can already tell I can improve on this tune. Second run. A little bit slower in the takeoff, but still a significant improvement. So as you can see, I was able to shave off about 0.7 on average from my 0 to 60 time, and added almost 2 miles an hour to the 1/8 mile trap speed. So not bad for just a quick tune that I wrote in half an hour. This is before I got a chance to optimize the VTI tables or any of that things. I am going on a dyno with a Big Blue truck on the 30th, and we're gonna see what we can get done then. Stay tuned.